Max and Boulder Bob. Teamwork fixes the bridge.
The storm was upon them, the thunder was loud. The rain and wind were fierce from dark gray clouds. The bridge was blocked, 2 towns in despair. It needed to be cleared out, it needed repair. Mighty Max, a tough dump truck, rolled in with the strength of steel and a light-hearted grin. This is a mess, but one we can fix. But help I will need, I will get Bob in the mix. Boulder Bob is a quiet backhoe. He is quiet and reserved, steady and slow. I'll help with the dirt, the boulders and stones. Together we'll move out what the storm has sown. Once at the bridge, the problems seemed grim. Trees and rocks all around, with Bob's arm in full swing and Max handling the load. A solution was sure to be found, but soon they came upon a boulder so vast it would take every muscle and it would not move fast. This one rock is too big for me alone, Max shared with Bob in a slight nervous tone. Bob was quite ready, steady and calm. A plan he had drawn up in his mind. I can dig beneath while you give a big shove. This will get us out of this bind. With a push and a heave, the boulder gave way. The problem was quickly relieved. The debris was soon cleared, the road was now empty. Their success was because they believed. Teamwork builds bridges, and that is what we do. Working together is fun. When we give our all and assist one another, the work is sure to get done. The townspeople all cheered as Max grinned widely as he carried off the last load. He and Bob high-fived one another as the people were using the road. Bob nodded proudly as Max shared this truth, his strength and resolve showing through. Steady and strong, we do the job to completion. Together, there is nothing we can't do.
Building buddies, trucks with big hearts.
Our Bible verse is from Ecclesiastes 4:9-10. 2 are better than 1, because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up.